Okay, so for the explanation of this game, you should look at the YouTube video from Scam School. It's about 12 minutes long and has ads in it. But let's say you remember most of it and you just want to know how to do this problem. So rather than using clockwise and counterclockwise like they do in Scam School, I prefer to think of France and the USA, because the flags have the same colors, but we say red, white, and blue here in the US, but over there they go bleu, blanc, rouge, which is great because it's exactly what we need. We need to invert the order of the same three things, okay? So I like to think that if you start off with rock, paper, scissors on red, white, and blue, that's like the French configuration, where blue wins against white, white wins against red, and red wins against blue. Okay, so then your classmate swaps two weapons. Okay, so now you're in the US configuration. And then your classmate declares that red will fight against white. But since you're in the US configuration, you think red, white, blue, red, white, red above white. Okay, red wins. And then your classmate makes two additional swaps. So the first swap will send you to France, and the second swap will send you back to the US. And then the same two players are fighting. They may have different weapons, but still red's going to win against white. Okay, your classmate then swaps just one more thing, two gladiators, but keeps the weapons in place, and declares there will be a grand playoff match where each gladiator faces the other two for a total of 3 matches without further weapon swaps. Okay, so who wins in each of these 3 matches? Okay, so we're back in France because there was just one swap. So you got the bleu, blanc, rouge arrangement, blue over white, white over red, red over blue. Okay, so if you prefer clockwise, counterclockwise, and that's easier for you to visualize, then that's great. But I have trouble keeping track of where everybody is in my mind, so clockwise and counterclockwise is just going to confuse me more. So if I think France and the US, I can remember that easier because I have less to remember. Okay, so do whatever works for you, and hopefully that helps.